Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting smart outdoor lighting upgrades available right now, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. If you've ever dreaded climbing the roof every holiday season to hang lights, this could be the best investment you make for year-round outdoor lighting. After testing the 200-foot version with 120 RGBIC LED lights, I can confidently say, these aren't just holiday lights, they're a full outdoor lighting solution. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, backyard parties, or daily architectural accent lighting, these lights are designed to stay up permanently and transform the look of your home. The first thing that caught my attention is the new anti-glare lens design, which creates a unique triangular lighting effect. Instead of just glowing dots, these lights wash your wall or roof line with beautifully diffused, professional-grade lighting. Each LED is incredibly bright up to 50 lumens per light, which is brighter than most outdoor permanent lights. And here's where Govee stands out. Unlike typical RGB lights, these feature RGBIC plus warm white plus cool white. That means you can get pure whites, 2700K warm to 6500K cool, plus full 16 million color options, and 75 scene mode from the Govee app. They look modern, clean, and honestly, expensive. These lights are IP67 waterproof, including the adapter. Even the control box has an IP65 rating. They're rated for extreme weather from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal whether you live in snowy winters or hot summers. They also last up to 50,000 hours, meaning you're getting years of use without needing to replace bulbs. Govee includes strong VHB adhesive backing plus mounting clips, so installation is straightforward. They advertise 8 seconds per light, and that's pretty accurate once you find a rhythm. One of the standout features is that these lights are cuttable and extendable. You can trim them to fit and even splice them around obstacles like corners or roof peaks. As long as your total length doesn't exceed 200 feet, you're good. A user review mentioned the adhesive sticking extremely well, even through a hot, humid summer. Another user said they bought extra clips and the lights are rock solid, so mounting flexibility seems excellent. Controlling the lights is where things get fun. They work with Govee Home app, Alexa, Google Assistant Matter. You can group lights across your smart home ecosystem, set schedules, control individual LEDs, and create custom lighting scenes. One review said there's a small learning curve with the app, but once you explore the customization options, it becomes incredibly powerful. Customizing color patterns light by light is honestly insane. You can turn your home into a full holiday display without ever touching a ladder again. Here are highlights from people who installed them. Right arrow, such cool lights. Installation is straightforward. Missed out last Christmas. Right arrow, they hold strong even in hot, humid summer weather. Right arrow, highly recommend excellent build quality. Most users said they now plan to buy more Govee products after trying these. These lights are perfect if you heavy checkmark want permanent year-round outdoor lighting. Heavy checkmark don't want to climb roofs during holidays. Heavy checkmark wants smart home integration and full customization. The Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro deliver premium build quality, weatherproof performance, ultra-bright LEDs, and unmatched individual pixel control. If you want your home to look professionally lit without spending thousands on installation, this product is worth every penny.